The pricing of securitized instruments. What is pricing of securitized instruments? Pricing should be acceptable for both originator and investor. Yeah, something a stock has been priced now, so it should be somewhat favorable. It should not be overpriced or underpriced. The pricing securities are divided into following two, from a originator angle and the investor angle. What is originator angle? The instrument can be priced at a rate which originator has to incur on outflow. So I have this company. This company I have invested this much, and this many years I have done it. So this is my growth rate, and based on the growth rate and based on the valuation report and all, including all my expenses, I'm coming to this is the price of my share. This is what originator say angle. What is the investor angle? The security price can be determined by discounting best estimate of expected future cash flow using a rate of yield to maturity. What investor will say, sir, this is the market rate of return, this much percentage. Okay, this much percentage is a market rate of return. So, as per your valuation report, the P or P ratio of the various companies are this much numbers, and similar companies giving this is the valuation report. So you are valuing this much. I want the share in this much value, so that will be favorable for them. This is what investor angle they will look in this way.